Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Lisin and that's my husband Preston. Before we go to get a bike, we decided to come to our favorite tonkatsu restaurant. My meal comes with a tonkatsu and 2 shrimps. They're all very juicy and crunchy. The price is not very bad, maybe around 1,000 yen, and you can get a whole set of meal. We're going to Don Quixote for our bike. I will walk back and you will bike back. This is not a big station, huh? Feels so wrong, but Google says this way. If you ever live in Japan or travel in Japan, Don Quixote is your best friend. They sell everything that you can imagine in this store. It's crazy. From the back section, 16,980. Oh, after tax it's 18,600.
Yeah, that's it.
This is an e-bike.
Oh yeah, looks nice. 69,000.
Different one. This is for kids. Oh, this is like for mom card. Seats. That's fair. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they're green.
But
27,280.
yeah.
Is that with the registration?
I think so.
It's like 200 bucks.
They have lights. You're very beautiful.
I love it.
Aww.
I love these light ones too.
Do you want to guess an expensive one?
I mean, we can. I feel fine. I am fine with the cheaper ones. They're really, really beautiful.
They are, huh? And these are even cheaper, but this is just like a folding.
Oh, okay.
I really like this green one. At the end, we decided to get the green one instead of the cheapest one because you can change the speed in the green one, and with the hills in Zama, I think it will be really helpful. We're going to be here for at least 3 years. A great bike will help us a lot. After you pick up the bike, you can ring the bell and someone will come help you. This man is super sweet and nice, but we both don't speak each other's language, so it was kind of hard to communicate. Oh, okay. Hey. Oh, how do you turn on?
これを下げるとタイヤと
Oh.
擦れてここが光る。
Okay, you bike and then light. Oh, okay.
6
6, yes. We got this basket that he will install for us. Be my grocery cart. In Japan, it's really strict with their bike registration. There are a lot of people biking in Japan, so they want to make sure every bike is registered with the government. Buying a bike in Japan, you have to fill out the registration form. So since it's Preston, they want him to write into katakana so he can read, because he has a signature right now, but he can't read it. So yeah, you have to find your own name on just Google, right? There's another form that's for insurance that we didn't film, but 2 forms for buying a bike. It seems a lot, but it's doable. Okay, the guy just walked us out. We still want to go into the store.
He was like, get out of my store.
Yeah, I know. So we just parked here across from the Don Quixote, and we're going back there and do more shopping. Want to find shampoo and laundry soap. There's so many things. Huh? Bag?
Bag?
No.
No.
Okay.
カーテージ153円です。14番でお願いします。こちらです。
Arigato. Our purpose done today. Got a bike, and now I'm taking the train back, and Preston's going to ride this bike back. But shouldn't be too bad. It's like a station away, and then we got this little handle thing, so Preston won't get lost. Anyway, it's easier when we bike, we can still have a map out. Okay, do you know how to go back?
Thank you, Google Translate.